Good morning, dear children. In the previous video, we studied about the connection between the Earth's resources. Before the 2 centuries, there was a balance between people and the Earth's resources. But due to the growing population, the Earth's resources are reducing rapidly. A time will come when there won't be any resources left for our next generations to come. This is why it is essential to protect the fossil fuels and other natural resources. Children, there is a lot that all of us can do to save the earth. Can you all read this? Yes, it's reuse, reduce and recycle. What does this mean? Reuse means instead of throwing away things, we should reuse them. For an example, instead of using plastic bags or paper bags, we can use cloth bags which can be washed and reused. Then instead of plastic and paper plates and glasses, we can use steel plates and glasses. Steel can be washed and reused. Why should we not use paper and plastic, children? Yes, because we get paper from trees and we need to cut down trees to make paper. And plastic is made from petroleum. Both are natural resources. Hence, to save the natural resources, we should reuse things. Now, reduce means reduce the use of nature's resources. Like in the previous chapter, I told you we should use cycle instead of cars and scooters so that fossil fuels can be saved and there would be less pollution too. Next is recycle, means to turn something that has been used into other useful products. Like recycled plastic can be used to make plastic buckets or mugs, shoes. Have you all understood? Reuse, reduce and recycle. Let us see what we can do to protect our earth. We should not contribute to the pollution of the earth. As I told you before, make use of cycles instead of motorbikes and cars. Do not burn crackers, which will be another reason for pollution. Plant trees so that you could breathe fresh air and we could get more oxygen. Read newspapers and listen to the news so that you're aware of news about the environment. You know, children, the government of India and the rest of the world are working on improving the environment. There is a beautiful quote given in your textbook itself, and it says, "The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. The earth is precious to us. We promise we will always do our best to look after it." Children, we are all responsible for protecting and healing our planet. Learn this promise and teach it to everyone you know. Children, the chapter is over and so is the portion of geography too. For the homework, read the chapter and do the exercises on page 124. Question A, B, C and D only. Till then, you all take care and bye. Keep studying.